Discover the engineering brilliance at MrTech. Each homemade wood splitter combines precision, durability, and innovation, making your task faster and safer. It's craftsmanship that marries function with design, perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Jensen H40 wood splitter might look like a powerhouse with its large, imposing frame, but don't let its size fool you. Despite its impressive design, its performance falls short of expectations. The splitting force lacks the punch you'd hope for, and the operation is notably sluggish. A machine with potential, but not quite the heavy hitter it seems. Redneck wood splitters are taking on logs that many would deem too tough. The massive spruce trees we tackle, right from the stump, are no joke. They boast diameters of at least 18 to 20 inches. It's the kind of challenge that would make even the strongest think twice. But we crush it every time. Transform your work site with a revolutionary wood splitter. Powered by a Husqvarna 576XP, chainsaw motor, JCB 3CX, and Massey Ferguson 5465, this powerful combination turns tough tasks into a breeze. Experience unmatched efficiency, precision, and strength in every cut. Say goodbye to manual splitting. This is the future. For those who value endurance over haste, the internal combustion engine wood splitter proves to be a wise choice. With its efficient engine and reliable construction, this tool delivers powerful performance without the pressure to rush. A great solution for anyone who needs to get the job done right, not fast. The automatic wood-cutting machine prototype has passed its trial run with impressive results. In just 2 days, 5 ringgit of wood were successfully cut, showcasing the machine's reliability. While there were minor issues, such as occasional jams on the conveyor, the overall performance remained strong, signaling promising future potential. The Atom Original Woodcutter stands out in the industry, offering unmatched durability with its 300-ton capacity. It's compatible with all hydraulic drills, ensuring smooth operation every time. Avoid cheaper alternatives. Only Atom guarantees reliable woodcuts without fail. This cone-shaped homemade wood splitter can handle thick logs with ease, making it a perfect tool for tackling larger projects. Its unique design and powerful functionality set it apart from other traditional splitters, delivering precision and efficiency. Remember, safety first. Protect your hands. Ever wonder how something so simple can be so effective? Meet the wood splitter with a twist, a homemade blade and a spring that gives it all the power it needs. It's an incredible mix of ingenuity and practicality that transforms an everyday task into something efficient and easy.
Елементарно.
Watson.
This innovative two-blade wood saw with a conveyor system revolutionizes the way we handle firewood. The power and efficiency combined in one machine create a seamless operation. No more struggles with heavy logs. Thanks to dual blades, even the toughest wood gets chopped swiftly, while the conveyor system moves the wood effortlessly to the next stage. With the robust Honda GX690 engine, the hydraulic system delivers an unmatched level of performance. It effortlessly synchronizes the movement of two wedges and the conveyor belt, all while remaining impressively quiet. This level of engineering showcases the power and precision of modern machinery. If I told you that chopping wood is no longer a tough and exhausting task, what would you think? This mechanical wood splitter, equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic force, can split even the toughest logs with precision. It's the perfect tool to make all your woodwork tasks smooth and easy. No need for an old-fashioned axe anymore. As an expert in cutting tools, I can confidently say that the SAWQUIP saw is in a class of its own. The tungsten blade offers exceptional durability and sharpness, making it ideal for precision tasks. Whether you're cutting firewood or tackling large logs, this machine provides both power and accuracy, turning laborious tasks into a breeze. Watching this made my hair stand on end. It's almost like they're daring fate. No protective gear, no safety measures, just raw danger. The blade spinning freely, debris flying, no goggles, no hearing protection. How long before something catastrophic happens here? It's only a matter of time. The combination of the John Deere D-Tractor and the Lane Shingle Mill demonstrates a finely tuned mechanical synergy. The tractor's powerful engine provides the torque needed to operate the mill's complex mechanisms, ensuring flawless, uniform cuts. This is an expert-level operation, blending old-school craftsmanship with modern machinery. Building your own wood splitter is a remarkable project. Sure, there are more efficient systems out there, but the real magic lies in the process. With a few adjustments, like reinforcing the table and tweaking the distribution system, you'll craft a personalized tool that works wonders. The pride of making it yourself is unmatched.
Ничего подобного. Настоящая русская жизнь.
Видишь, стола нету, как хуёво.
The 220-volt screw wood splitter combines advanced engineering with practical design to deliver top-notch performance. Its powerful motor ensures smooth operation, while the robust structure guarantees longevity. For professionals or DIY enthusiasts, this is an investment worth every penny. The Foley Bell Saw M14 circular saw is engineered for superior performance. With a large, durable blade and a tractor-mounted high-powered engine, it's designed to cut through both hardwood and softwood effortlessly. Its efficiency and reliability make it an essential tool for professionals and serious DIYers alike. This compact log splitter combines advanced engineering with practicality. From its initial prototype for manual splitting to the improved version we see today, every detail reflects precision and efficiency. It's not just a tool, it's a solution crafted for seamless performance and enduring reliability. This homemade wood cutting machine integrates advanced safety mechanisms for optimal performance. The micro switch under the saw ensures controlled activation, while the safety switch on the splitter prevents unintended operation. A design that combines practicality with expert-level safety measures. From a technical standpoint, a hydraulic log splitter uses immense pressure to split logs with precision. The operator's choice to use a support structure instead of a handle is an innovative adaptation. However, one must consider whether securing the log with ropes or other methods would offer greater stability and efficiency. This wood splitter redefines efficiency, Its compact splitting head may seem small, but don't let that fool you. With precision engineering and incredible force, it effortlessly splits logs into clean, even pieces. Built for durability and performance, this tool transforms tough tasks into quick, satisfying work. The homemade wood splitter you've been dreaming of is finally here. Designed with precision and tested in real conditions, it delivers incredible results. Imagine splitting logs effortlessly with a single stroke of the axe-like blades. This first test proved its efficiency, and it could be yours. For optimal dust management and machine efficiency, consider covering the left side of your saw to reduce sawdust spillover and keep the chute unobstructed. Cutting the bottom edges of the chute at a 45-degree angle will facilitate the smooth expulsion of dust. Spacer blocks will further aid this process. Additionally, placing brushes on the front and rear of the wheels will help push debris out, ensuring the system's longevity. This compact DIY wood splitter is engineered for stability and efficiency. Equipped with a thick splitting blade, it effortlessly tackles hard wood, ensuring clean and precise cuts. While it's not built for speed, it excels with shorter logs, making it ideal for personal use or small-scale projects. Quality and practicality combine here. Struggling to chop long logs into smaller pieces or dealing with back-breaking wood transport? This log splitter solves both problems. With its dual blade system, it slices through multiple logs at once. Plus, the integrated conveyor belt handles the wood movement, saving you time and reducing physical strain. You're out in the woods, looking to split some firewood. You're thinking of using that old axe, but then you see the redneck log splitter. It's like the ingenuity of a rope and two cans, but far safer. With this tool, the work becomes a breeze. It's the kind of tool that makes you think, why didn't I find this sooner? Ever wish you could skip the mess after cutting wood? With this smart saw stand, you can. While your regular saw does the cutting faster, this stand allows you to load up dozens of branches and small logs. Then get the job done in 60 seconds without worrying about picking up a mountain of wood afterward. The SF-80 Rapid 220XX. Wood splitter is a powerhouse designed to tackle even the toughest logs with ease. Equipped with a robust 2.2 kilowatt electric motor, it delivers a splitting force of up to 8 tons, making it ideal for large diameter wood. Whether you're working with tree trunks or firewood, this machine guarantees precision and power. This axe is a powerhouse in chopping firewood, carving through logs with impressive precision. Sure, it demands some effort, but the strength it requires only amplifies its effectiveness. It might take some time, but the results speak for themselves. Perfectly split wood for your needs.
Другое дело. Надо бегать, собирать покрышки 13 радиуса.
Hey inventors, the video ends here for now. Share your awesome thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support fuels amazing things for the future.